Where's Sissy? Is she smiling at you? Who's that? Is she being a wiggle worm? Whoa, is that the Christmas tree? The lights on the tree. Is Gigi at the top of the tree? He is, huh? There's Gigi. The top of the tree. You see Bubbies? Gigi's an angel on the tree. Yep. Tree Gigi, yep. There's Gigi on the tree. Do you see balls? Is there a ball on a tree? Ball! Do you see any cars? Or choo-choo trains? There's the choo-choo train. I see it. What does the choo-choo train say? What does the choo-choo train say? Choo-choo.
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo. What does Santa say? Hi. What does Santa say? Ho, ho, ho. That's right. Good job. Is Santa coming to see us? Ho, ho, ho. Is Santa coming to our house to deliver presents? Yeah, that would be awesome, wouldn't it? And you want Gigi? There he is. He's on top of the tree. Where's Bubbies? Is he at school? Is Gigi at school? He's at school, huh? Where's Daddy at work? Daddy at work. He's gonna come home in a little bit. So is Gigi. You got your sissy. Oh, you're so sweet. Wow, oh, you love your sissy. You're such a sweet boy. You gonna tickle her tummy? Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. You're so cute. Is that Gigi? I see Gigi. You like the lights on the tree, huh? The tree, yeah. Whoa, is that Gigi on the tree? There he is. Aww. Oh, you're so sweet. Uh-oh, what was that? Oh, no. Oh, no. It's okay. It's okay. It's garbage. Looks like a piece of tissue. Why is Sissy kicking and kicking? She's hitting you. She says, hi, puppies. Oh. And give Sissy kisses. Oh, I tickle her feet. Tickle Sissy feet. Sissy, tickle her tummy. Tickle, tickle. Tickle Logan's tummy. Where's Logan's tummy? Hey, bless you. Where's Logan's tummy? There it is. Where's your head? There it is. Where's your ears? Ear. Where's your nose? Nose. Where's your eyes? Eyes. Where's your mouth? Where's your foot? There it is. Where's your arm? Wiggle your arms. Woo! What does a monkey say? Ah ah. Ooh ooh. What does a monkey say? What does a cow say? What about a lion? What does a duck say? What does a duck say? Quack, quack, quack. What does a snake say? What does a car say? What does Santa say? Ho, ho, ho. Good job. What does an elephant say? Ooh, that's right. What does a doggy say? What does a kitty say? Good job. You're such a smart boy. Who's going to be 2 in less than 2 months? Say, I am. Are you going to be 2 soon? Yeah, huh? Are you a lion? Or would you be a choo-choo train? Choo-choo. Choo-choo.